Assalamualaikum. In today's segment, we are going to discuss about blood pressure. So, in the previous lecture, we already discussed about the working of heart, that is cardiac cycle. So, in cardiac cycle, the blood is pumped by the ventricles into the blood vessels, into the respective blood vessels. The left ventricle pump the oxygenated blood into systemic aorta, whereas the right ventricle it pump deoxygenated blood into pulmonary artery. So the systemic aorta it divides and redivides into arteries, and arteries divides into arterioles, arterioles again divides into capillaries. So blood flows from aorta up to the capillary. The oxygenated blood it flows in the aorta up to the capillaries, where capillaries transported this oxygenated blood towards all the body parts, towards each cell and tissues, and it collected deoxygenated blood. So the capillary they get united to form venules. Venules they get united to form veins, and the veins are again united to form vena cava, and again the deoxygenated blood it return into the हार्ट फॉर ऑक्सीजनेशन. तो ये जो एक साइकिल हमने देखा इसको हम कहते हैं कार्डियक साइकिल, और जहां पर ब्लड फ्लो करते हैं इनसाइड द वेसल, दैट ब्लड फ्लोज विद अ प्रेशर. सो दैट प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड एज अ ब्लड प्रेशर. सो व्हाट एक्चुअली इट डिफाइंस द ब्लड प्रेशर इज डिफाइंड एज द प्रेशर exerted by the blood on the wall of blood vessel is called as a blood pressure. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by blood on the wall of blood vessel is called as a blood pressure. So this blood pressure is found in all the vessels, but at the time of measurement we measure the pressure only in the arteries. So the definition of blood pressure it little modified here, because we measure the arterial pressure, we measure the pressure only inside the arteries. That's why the blood pressure is also called as a arterial blood pressure. So what is arterial blood pressure? A pressure exerted by the blood. What is arterial blood pressure? A pressure exerted by the blood on the wall of arteries is called as a arterial blood pressure. So this pressure is greater in the aorta. The pressure, the blood flows with a high pressure. It is greater in aorta, maximum in artery, and minimum in arteriole and capillaries, and least in the vein. अगर आप देखते हो तो प्रेशर सबसे ज्यादा किस में होगा? एओर्टा में होगा, उसके बाद आर्टेरीज में होगा, देन वेन्यूल्स in arterioles or in capillary very less or minimum pressure is feel, whereas in the venules or in the vein a least or the very less pressure is measured. So we can conclude that the distance from the heart, यानी कि अगर हम देखेंगे तो जितना डिस्टेंस होता जाएगा, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द हार्ट इंक्रीजेस, BP decreases. That means if you observe that aorta they originate from the heart, so in aorta, in the systemic aorta a greater pressure is there, and in capillaries or in arteriole a minimum pressure is there. So the distance from the heart increases, BP decreases. Distance from the heart increases, BP decreases. So this BP, what is the BP? ये ब्लड प्रेशर के टाइप्स कितने होते हैं और इनको मेजर कैसा किया जाता है इसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. तो the first type of blood pressure is systolic blood pressure. The type of blood pressures, the first type of blood pressure is called as a systolic blood pressure. What is systolic blood pressure? A pressure exerted by the blood on the wall of artery during ventricular systole. During ventricular systole. The blood is forcefully pumped by the ventricle during ventricular contraction when the ventricles get systole, and that forcefully blood is pumped into that vessels, and that pressure is always a maximum pressure, and that pressure is called as a systolic blood pressure. And this pressure is due to maximum cardiac output, and this blood pressure is maximum. And what is the value of systolic blood pressure is, in normal adult person it is around 120 mmHg. What is 1 mmHg? It is a unit unit of mercury monometer. 120 mmHg is the maximum limit of blood pressure usually measured at the time of ventricular contraction. We'll discuss about the measurement. हम इस measurement के बारे में आगे देखेंगे. अभी हम सिर्फ देख रहे हैं कि प्रेशर कितना होता है. तो एक एवरेज अडल्ट पर्सन में जो प्रेशर होना चाहिए एट द टाइम ऑफ वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल, जब वेंट्रिकल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होते हैं तो वो फोर्सफुली ब्लड को पंप करते हैं इनटू द रिस्पेक्टिव ब्लड वेसल्स, और उसी फोर्स की वजह से ब्लड जो है वो बॉडी पार्ट्स तक ट्रांसफर होता है. और ये जो प्रेशर होगा ड्यूरिंग वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल, इट शुड बी अ मैक्सिमम ब्लड प्रेशर, और ये ब्लड प्रेशर होता है एक एवरेज अडल्ट पर्सन में अराउंड 120 mmHg. So systolic blood pressure is a pressure exerted by blood on the wall of artery during ventricular contraction, means ventricular systole, and this type of blood pressure is called as a systolic blood pressure, and this systolic blood pressure is a maximum blood pressure. Then the next type of blood pressure is diastolic blood pressure. A pressure exerted by the blood on the wall of artery when the ventricles are fully relaxed. When the ventricles are fully relaxed, or you may say when the ventricles are in the diastolic condition. So a pressure exerted on the wall of artery during ventricular systole, that pressure is called as a diastolic blood pressure. Or you may say when the ventricles are in the fully relaxed condition, that time the blood vessels flows the blood with the least pressure, and that pressure is a minimum pressure. And the minimum pressure in normal adult person is 80 mmHg. 80 mmHg. So systolic blood pressure, it is the highest level of blood pressure, and the diastolic blood pressure is the minimum blood pressure. So the average value of blood pressure in normal adult person, it should be written as 120 by 80 mmHg. 120 is the highest limit during ventricular contraction, and 80 is the minimum limit during ventricular relaxation. So 120 by 80, it is the normal value of blood pressure in an average adult person. But this blood pressure, it may vary according to sex, according to dietary factors, according to the posture, according to the age, and according to the daytime. जो ब्लड प्रेशर होता है ये हर एक में फिक्स नहीं होता. इन चिल्ड्रंस द ब्लड प्रेशर वेरी, इन द adolescents the blood pressure vary, or in old age people also the blood pressure varies. So this value is for normal adult person. This value 120 by 80 mmHg is the normal value for a normal adult person, average adult person. So the blood pressure, it may vary according to age, according to posture, according to dietary factors, and according to sex, and according to the duration of time. This blood pressure increases mostly by increasing age. Blood pressure increases in increasing age because of losing the arterial elasticity. ब्लड प्रेशर जो है वो एज के साथ साथ बढ़ते जाता है बिकॉज द आर्टरीज हैज द इलास्टिक वॉल एंड ड्यू टू द स्ट्रेचिंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक दिस इलास्टिसिटी गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग। तो क्योंकि उनकी जो इलास्टिसिटी है वो कम होती जाती है, इस वजह से ओल्ड एज पीपल में ब्लड प्रेशर जो है वो ज्यादा दिखाई देता है। और ये जो ब्लड प्रेशर होता है इट इज मोस्ट कॉमनली हायर, इट इज मोस्ट कॉमनली हायर इन केस ऑफ फीमेल। फीमेल्स में ब्लड प्रेशर जो है वो ज्यादा दिखाई देता है एज कंपेयर टू मेल। सो दीज आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर, सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर एंड डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर। सो दिस टू ब्लड प्रेशर 120 is the highest limit, 80 is the lowest limit. Another type of pressure is called as a pulse pressure. What pulse is there? हम इससे पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, a regular jerk which is mostly observed on the each heartbeat. हर एक हार्टबीट के बाद में एक जर्क होता है और उस जर्क को हम कहते हैं पल्स। और ये जो पल्स प्रेशर होता है, व्हाट इज पल्स प्रेशर? अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिस्टोलिक एंड डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर। A difference between systolic and diastolic pressure is called as a pulse pressure. What is the difference? Ab systolic blood pressure is 120. Systolic blood pressure is 120. Diastolic blood pressure is 80. So 120 minus 80 is equal to 40. So 40 mmHg is the normal pressure of the pulse. So what is pulse pressure? Pulse pressure is a difference between systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure is called as a pulse pressure, and that pulse pressure is 40 mmHg. अगर हम इसका रेशियो देखेंगे सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर, डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर और पल्स प्रेशर का, सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर इज 120, diastolic blood pressure is 80 and pulse pressure is 40. So the ratio is 3:2:1. The pressure ratio is 3:2:1. It is about blood pressure. So the pressure is not same in all the organism. It vary according to age, it vary according to sex. Dietary factors are also responsible in the variation of blood pressure. And one more thing is there, that is expansion of artery and recoiling of artery. The two terms are there, and these terms are called as a vasodilation. Vasodilation and vasoconstriction also affecting the blood pressure. What is vasodilation? Expansion of artery. Expansion of artery is called as a vasodilation, whereas the recoiling of artery is called as a vasoconstriction. So these are the two terms who affect the blood pressure. Now we talk about the measurements of blood pressure. यानी कि हम अब देखेंगे ब्लड प्रेशर तो किस तरह से होता है, कब होता है वो हमने देखा। अब हम देखेंगे कि ब्लड प्रेशर को किस तरह से मेजर किया जाता है। तो ब्लड प्रेशर को इनडायरेक्ट मेथड से मेजर किया जाता है, यानी कि डायरेक्टली हम ब्लड के प्रेशर को मेजर नहीं करते हैं, हम ब्लड को इनडायरेक्ट मेथड से मेजर करते हैं, एंड दैट इनडायरेक्ट मेथड ऑफ ब्लड प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड एज अ osculatory method. The indirect method to measure a blood pressure is called as a osculatory method, and this osculatory method was first discovered by रीवा रोकाई जिसने सबसे पहले बीपी apparatus बनाया था, and that apparatus was unable to detect the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. So the modern blood pressure instrument, जो बीपी apparatus है, जो modern बीपी apparatus which is modified by Dr. Korotkov. who first invented an instrument called as a BP apparatus, but it is called as a sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. So why it is called as an indirect method? Because in this apparatus, first the pressure, air pressure is equalized to ब्लड. यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं, वन ऑफ द ट्यूब इज मर्क्यूरी लेवल को एक एयर पंप अटैच किया जाता है और वो ब्लड के प्रेशर को यानी कि एयर का प्रेशर और ब्लड का प्रेशर इक्वलाइज करते हैं एंड दैट टाइम वी कैन मेजर द ब्लड प्रेशर. और इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को कोरोटकॉफ ने डिस्कवर किया था, विच इज एक्चुअली अ मॉडिफिकेशन ऑफ टूल इन्वेंटेड बाय रीवा रोकाय. रीवा रोकाय ने जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज किया था ब्लड प्रेशर को यूज करने के लिए, उसके अंदर सिस्टोलिक और डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर के अंदर डिफरेंस हम नहीं कर सकते थे, लेकिन कोरोटकॉफ ने जो मॉडिफाइड स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर बनाया, इसके अंदर सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर और डायस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर का डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं और उसको हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज अबाउट द ब्लड प्रेशर एंड द स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर. इसके आगे के लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे कि किस तरह से स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर काम करता है.